Hi, Justin Wrigley, the Wrigley Team, Exit Realty. Welcome to 59 Honore in Limoges, a fantastic 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a bonus room above the garage. Let's go take a tour. The main level is sure to impress with a formal living room, dining room, and a gorgeous kitchen with a large island and plenty of cabinetry. With so many features, including a warm, cozy gas fireplace, continuing up the hardwood staircase to the second level are 4 bedrooms, a family room, and a large closet off the master. Down in the fully finished basement, you'll find a 5th bedroom, full bathroom, and tons of space for a rec room or home gym. Thanks for taking a tour of 59 Honore in Limoges, a fantastic home, large corner lot, and a great community. Book your private viewing today.